The Galaxy S24 Ultra will feature a 200 MP primary camera, and if you were thinking that it's the same as the Galaxy S22 Ultra and the Galaxy S23 Ultra, you would be wrong. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will use a slightly better 200 MP camera sensor, ISOCELL HP2SX, with 6 pixels. It also features a 12 MP ultra-wide camera, Sony IMX 564 with 4 pixels, a 10 MP telephoto camera, Sony IMX 754 Plus with 112 pixels, with 3x optical zoom, and a 50 MP telephoto camera, Sony IMX 854 with 7 pixels, with 5x optical zoom. The Galaxy S24 Ultra seems to be dropping a 10 MP telephoto camera with 10x optical zoom. So, there won't be a 10x optical zoom camera that people have come to love on Samsung phones. It remains to be seen how well Samsung can optimize the 50 MP telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom to offer 10x optical quality zoom. It also features a laser-assisted autofocus mechanism for more accurate focusing in low light and close-range situations. Galaxy S24 Ultra could also feature new Anyplace zoom technology. Samsung has showcased Zoom Anyplace camera technology, which is expected to debut on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This new feature can record a full-view 4K video while simultaneously recording a zoomed-in view of the frame at 4K resolution. It means you can record a scene in 4K while also saving another video simultaneously if a specific zoomed-in area of the same scene. It offers more creative potential for users and filmmakers. It also announced the E2 EAI Mosaic feature. It uses Samsung's new algorithm for image processing, cutting down the time it takes to capture a 200 MP resolution image. On the Galaxy S23 Ultra, it takes a second or two to capture a 200 MP image, which means you can't capture high-resolution images of fast-moving objects. However, the new E2 EAI Mosaic feature, which could be present on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, could cut down that time to half so you can use it in more situations. Hope you liked the video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos.